Hi people, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, it's early mornings and I'm still in my gym jams, and I'm just going to teach you the Charlier cut, which is also known as the one-handed cut. Charlier just means one-handed in French, I think. Yeah, it is in French. So it goes like this. Deck of cards, normal deck of cards. Okay, so this is the Charlier cut to start with. Okay, so you're gonna go from mechanics grip into, so you can have your index finger and pinky hold all the cards basically, so you can free up the rest of your hand. You're gonna bring your thumb round to the side. You're gonna drop the bottom half by releasing pressure here. So we're gonna drop the bottom half. We're gonna push through with our index finger and let the rest of the cards drop down. I'll show you again. So we're taking it up. As you know, we can release everything apart from that. We're going to drop the first half, push through with the index, let the rest drop down. Go again. Then from here you can get into the free card cut, the triple cut, that's the right word for it, the triple cut. Let's try and do it from this angle so you can see. Oh, I didn't think I was going to be able to. Okay. Let's try it a bit slower so you can follow. So everything's being held by these. I'm going to release the bottom packet. Index finger's going to come through, push it and come back round. Back from this side, goes like that. Practice people and you'll be able to get it down, and then from the Charlier cut you can get into lots more different cuts like this cut. But yeah, that's the basis of a lot of cuts, so you should lock this down first and then we can get into some more advanced stuff. Okay people, thank you for tuning in, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do that now. Like and subscribe for more content and to learn some cool flourishes. But for now, learn this. Peace out.